Good morning, students. This is your computer teacher Devdeep sir. Now today, students, we are starting a new chapter, that is word processing part 1, which is 4th unit of your IT syllabus. Okay, so without further ado, let's start our class. So what is Microsoft Word? We all know that Microsoft Word is a component of Microsoft Office package. Now, Microsoft Word is a element of Microsoft Office package, which is a word processing software. Now, what is a word processing software? They are those softwares that are dedicated for creating documents, processing different words. Okay, is their main objective. Now, Microsoft Word comes in 3 different elements. First, when you open the Microsoft Word, you will be able to see the title bar. Followed by that, it offers different menus and ribbons called the menu bar, and also comes in different scroll bars. That is, towards the right you can see this is the vertical scroll bar, and this one is the horizontal scroll bar. Now, Microsoft Word offers different features, okay, out of which in our session 1 and 2 we are going to discuss the 2 features: creating and saving a file and editing and formatting a document. Now, in order to save a new file, we can do it with the help of shortcut or the traditional approach. If we follow the traditional approach to create a new file, you have to go to the file menu, then click on new. So what is the first step? Click on file menu and then click on new. For saving a file, if we are following the traditional option, go to file and then click on save or save as. So for saving a file, you can click on save or save as. Okay. Now, in order to create and save a file, we can also use shortcuts like Ctrl+N for creating a new file and Ctrl+S for saving a file. So please take note of both the approaches. Now, for editing and formatting a document, we come to the 3 different parameters: B for bold, that is enlarging a text; I for italicizing or making the font look cursive; underline is used for underlining a document. The underline comes in different options: solid, dashed, solid dashed. Okay, 3 different approaches of underline. Apart from that, you can also change the different font types. Microsoft Office Standard offers 158 fonts. You can also download fonts from msoffice.com. So you can change the fonts from here. You can change the size by clicking on the increase or A decrease button here for increasing and decreasing fonts. You can also choose different font colors by clicking on this option and choosing the different color from the color palette given. And the different alignment options applicable are left align, right align, center align, and justified. Okay, so these are the alignment options. So if you have any doubts in today's class, just feel free to ask any questions in the WhatsApp group of your class. So with this is Devdeep sir, your computer teacher, signing off, wishing you have very nice day. Okay, and hopefully you keep studying hard and practice these topics. Okay.